Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how GTA 3 looks like on my iMac. Here you can see it. Let's just try to load it and if everything will be okay. So I just installed Windows 7 on my iMac, and actually I spend a lot of time for installing driver for my radio. I also figure out with different errors. Let's just try to load it. Also, maybe we will fix the problem with video. So here you can see how it looks like. So maybe let's just check our video drivers. Maybe I will install it. Not here, maybe here. Not. Here you can see display setup, and here we can also no, we can't choose just another one. So also here you can see how it looks like. So really not bad. So thanks for watching, goodbye.